Hello, listeners. Welcome back to Unlock English and Speak. I am Leo.
And I am Charlotte. We are so happy to have you with us today.
Today, we have a very useful episode. It is about connection.
Yes, conversation is like a game of tennis. I hit the ball to you, you hit the ball to me.
But what happens if I say something and you just look at me? The game stops.
Exactly. You need to respond. You need to show that you are listening.
Today, we will learn how to agree. We will learn how to say yes in many different ways.
Stop saying yes, yes, yes all the time. Let's learn some style.
Are you ready to agree with us? Let's unlock our English.
Before we learn the new words, we must fix a big mistake, a huge mistake.
Many students translate directly from Spanish. In Spanish, you say estoy de acuerdo.
So, in English, students say, I am agree.
No, please never say I am agree.
Agree is a verb. It is an action word, like run or eat.
You do not say I am run. You say I run.
So you must say, I agree. This is our first key phrase.
I agree. I-A-G-R-E-E.
It means you have the same opinion.
For example, I think English is fun. You say I agree.
Or, pizza is delicious. You say, I agree.
Listeners, please repeat the correct form. I agree.
I agree.
I agree with you.
I agree with you.
Great. Now that we fixed the grammar, let's learn some fun alternatives.
Imagine I say something and you think it is 100% correct. It is perfect.
For this, we use the word exactly.
Exactly. E-X-A-C-T-L-Y.
Exactly means that is precise or that is completely true.
For example, it is very hot today. You answer, exactly.
Or we need to study to pass the exam. You answer exactly.
It is a strong word. It shows you understand perfectly.
Listeners, repeat this powerful word. Exactly.
Exactly.
Yes, exactly.
Yes, exactly.
Wonderful. Now, let's learn a word that is very popular with young people. It is very informal.
I use this word all the time with my friends. The word is totally.
Totally. Totally.
Totally means completely. It is a casual way to agree.
For example, this movie is awesome. You say totally.
Or, I'm so tired today. You say, totally.
It sounds very cool and relaxed.
It does. Listeners, let's practice the cool word totally.
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 Very good. Now, sometimes you want to tell the other person that their fact is correct.
You want to validate them. You use the phrase, you are right.
You are right.
This means your statement is true. You are not wrong.
For example, Leo, the sky is blue. I say, you are right.
Or, Charlotte, we're late for the bus. I say, you're right, let's run.
Be careful with the verb. We use are. You are right, not you have right.
That is the common mistake. In English, we are right.
Listeners, repeat the phrase.
You are right.
You are right.
You're right.
You're right. Excellent. Now, Leo, what if I am very certain? What if there is no doubt?
Then we use the phrase for sure.
For sure. F-O-R-S-U-R-E.
For sure means definitely or of course.
For example, do you want to go to the party? You say, for sure.
Or, is this the best podcast? You say, for sure.
It is positive and confident.
Listeners, repeat with energy. For sure.
For sure.
That is for sure.
That is for sure.
Okay, Charlotte, we have 5 amazing options. I agree. Exactly. Totally. You are right. For sure.
Now, let's put them together. We will have a conversation.
Listeners, pay attention to how we use the words to keep the conversation flowing.
Okay, Charlotte, let's talk about the weekend.
Okay, I think we should go to the cinema.
I agree. I love movies. What should we watch?
Well, the new Marvel movie is out. Everyone says it is good.
Exactly. I saw the trailer. It looks amazing.
But movie tickets are very expensive now.
You are right. It costs a lot of money.
Maybe we should go on Tuesday. It is cheaper on Tuesday.
Totally. That is a great idea.
And we can eat tacos after the movie.
For sure, tacos are my favorite food. Okay, so Tuesday night, movies and tacos.
I agree. It is a plan.
See? That was a natural conversation.
We didn't just say yes, we used different words to show emotion.
When Leo said exactly, I knew he understood me.
When Charlotte said totally, I knew she was excited.
This is how you make friends in English. You connect with them.
Let's do a quick quiz to test our listeners.
I will give you a situation. You choose the best word.
Situation 1. Your friend says, English grammar is difficult. You think it is 100% true. You can say,
Exactly.
Situation 2. Your mom says, it is raining, take an umbrella. This is a fact.
You can say, you are right.
Situation 3. Your friend asks, do you want ice cream? You definitely want ice cream.
You can say, for sure.
Situation 4. Your friend says, I am so hungry. You are also hungry. Casual style.
You can say, totally.
Situation 5. Someone asks for your opinion. Do you like this color? You have the same opinion. You can say, I agree. Not, I am agree, just, I agree.
Perfect. You guys are doing great.
Leo, do you have a motivational thought for this episode? I do. It's about building bridges.
Tell us.
The quote is, agreement is the bridge between two minds. When you agree, you're not just saying yes, you're saying, I see you.
That is profound. Using these words helps people feel seen and understood.
Exactly. So don't be a robot. Be a friend.
Thank you for listening to Unlock English and Speak.
Practice your new words today. Say totally to your mirror.
See you in the next episode. Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.